Hello everybody and welcome to the video by Sunshine Forex on how to get started with account opening at Oanda. We start by visiting the URL www.fxtrade.oanda.com. On the right hand side of the screen you can see a link, open an FX Trade account. You click on this link to begin the process. Once you click on that link, you are taken to the registration page. On the registration page, before you can begin, here is some information that you should read before starting the account opening process. After you've read this information, you can start the process by filling out this relevant form. Fill out your details starting from type of account, which is individual or corporate, your first name, your last name, or email address. Confirm your email address. Select a username for yourself here. This username should be unique to you and it's a very sensitive information. You should keep this username to yourself and never disclose it to anybody. It is as good as your password. Let's say. Then create a password for yourself to begin the process. At any time, to get more assistance on the relevant field, you can click on these question marks here, right next to the field that you want assistance upon. Clicking on the question mark will pop out a certain information about that field which will help you fill out the form. Once you are done with the basic information form, you can begin the process by clicking on Start Registration. On the next page, you will be able to see the details that you have filled out on the first page already filled in, like your name, your username, your email address, etc. Now, this is the page which is used to fill out your personal and employment data. Start by selecting a title, your date of birth, your citizenship, and then you have to fill out a valid government ID. Now, a valid government ID as accepted by Oanda is any form of identity proof issued by the government of country of your residence. Most popular and acceptable form of ID is your passport. Here you need to provide the number of your ID proof. In case you are a US citizen, it is imperative for you to provide your social security number. Then we come down to a security question. Security question will be used to confirm your identity when you are interacting with Oanda. This question should be such that the answer is known only to you and is not easy to guess. We'll fill out some of the question here, let's say a random question. Once you're done with it, select the account currency. In whatever currency you want to fund your account or maintain your primary trading account, this is that currency. We'll select it as US dollar. Scroll down to fill out your contact information. Select your country, your state, your city, some number, if you have any house number, suit and your zip ID. This is the email address that you had provided on the first page. Fill out your telephone number. One of the number is necessary for the records. Scroll down further to fill out your employment information. Select your employment status from self-employed, retired, student, unemployed and employed. If you select employed, you'll be asked more information about the industry that you're working in. Pick out from these choices. If in case it's not available here, you can click on other and enter the information here like this. And fill out your company name and years for which you've been working there, at what position you work, and the contact details of the company. Once you are done with filling up this form, all the details on this page, click on continue to move to the next page. On the next page, you will be asked to fill out your financial